with the new point, enthalpies of physical transformation. That means here the enthalpy changes which are taking place during different physical changes. Physical changes, that means here in these transformations only the physical state of the compound it changes. That means solid converts into liquid, liquid converts into gas, or solid directly converts into gas. So such physical changes whenever taking place, then the enthalpy changes. What type of enthalpy changes they are taking place, we have to study. So the first type of change is fusion. So you know about the fusion. Fusion, that means any substance when it meets, any substance when it converts into liquid state from its solid state, then we call it as the fusion. So enthalpy of fusion, this is the new term, or this is the one of the physical transformation. So we have to study what is mean by this enthalpy of fusion. Again the question will be asked on this point, is define enthalpy of fusion or explain the enthalpy of fusion. So what is this enthalpy of fusion? Then this enthalpy of fusion is represented as delta, Fus and H. So this is the notation of enthalpy of fusion. So how we can define? So again the definition is, it is defined as, or it is the enthalpy change. So enthalpy of fusion is the enthalpy change accompanying, or it is the enthalpy change take place when, so here 1 mole of solid substance is converted into liquid. बघा काय definition काय? So this is the enthalpy change accompanying when 1 mole of 1 mole of solid substance is converted into liquid, without changing, that means at constant temperature and pressure. So that enthalpy change is called as enthalpy of fusion. म्हणजे एक मूल सॉलिड सबस्टन्स ज्यावेळेस कन्वर्ट होतो लिक्विड मध्ये, त्यावेळेस जो एन्थाल्पी चेंज असतो, तर त्या चेंजला काय म्हणायचं? एन्थाल्पी ऑफ फ्युजन. याचं जर आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलं तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. सो एन्थाल्पी चेंज व्हेन सॉलिड सबस्टन्स आपण जनरली काय घेऊया? H2O in solid state. That means you can say this is the ice. When it is completely, so 1 mole of this solid H2O, that means the ice, when it is completely melts and converts into H2O liquid. So during this process, the enthalpy change which take place, enthalpy change, that means here the heat is absorbed. या ठिकाणी काय होते? हीट एब्सॉर्ब होते. सो दैट हीट इज एब्सॉर्ब बाय दिस आइस टू कन्वर्ट इनटू H2O liquid. So during this process the enthalpy of fusion, that is delta FUSH, is equal to at 0 degree centigrade, because ice it melts at so here 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड असेल तर त्यावेळेस काय होतं? आईस काय होतं? मेल्ट होतं. आईस इट मेल्ट्स म्हणजे 0 किंवा 0च्या वरती जर टेम्परेचर वाढलं, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट किती आहे? 0 आहे. 0च्या वरती जर टेम्परेचर वाढलं तर काय होणार आहे? सॉलिड कन्वर्ट्स इनटू लिक्विड. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस ॲट 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड दिस एन्थाल्पी चेंज इज मेजर्ड and this enthalpy change is 6.01. So this is kJ per mole. So this much quantity of heat energy is absorbed by this ice to convert it into liquid. So this is at 0 degree centigrade. So this much enthalpy change at this 0 degree centigrade, this much enthalpy change occurs and it is a positive. तुम्हाला दिसते इथे या ठिकाणी ह्याचं साइन काय आहे? So here positive. So here the heat is absorbed by that ice, 1 mole of ice. It absorbs the heat. So during this process, the enthalpy change which is taking place is called its enthalpy of fusion. हे झालं त्याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन. आता इमॅजिन करा ह्याच्या बरोबर अपोजिट प्रोसेस. अपोजिट प्रोसेस म्हणजे काय आहे? When H2O liquid is converted into H2O solid. बघा सेम याच्यामध्ये आपण पुढचं एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. सो दिस H2O liquid. So consider when 1 mole of liquid H2O is converted into H2O solid. बघा काय याच्यामध्ये आहे? So when 1 mole of same quantity आपण घेतली 1 mole of liquid H2O is convert into कशामध्ये? H2O solid. So this process is called as a freezing. So here the second point we can define as enthalpy of freezing. So this is the sub point. Freezing. This process is freezing. That means liquid converts into solid. So for example आपण काय घेतलंय? H2O water आपण घेतलेला आहे. This water it freezes at 0 degree centigrade. So during this freezing the enthalpy change which take place, this enthalpy change is called as enthalpy of freezing and it is represented as delta. आता freeze चं स्पेलिंग जे आहे त्याचं स्पेलिंग FREEZ असं लिहायचं डेल्टा फ्रीज आणि H. So this is the notation of enthalpy of freezing. So this enthalpy of freezing is opposite to enthalpy of fusion. लक्षात येते? So this is enthalpy of fusion where solid converts into liquid. And in freezing काय होतं? Liquid converts into solid. So here the energy change which take place in fusion, here the positive, but in freezing this is the amount of heat energy is released. या ठिकाणी काय होते? It is evolved or released. So the sign becomes negative. So negative 6.01. Again it is kJ per mole. So this is kJ per mole. This much amount of heat energy is released during this freezing of 1 mole of H2O into H2O solid. So this is called as enthalpy of freezing. So these two terms, they are opposite to each other. Fusion and here is the freezing. So here energy is absorbed. So here heat energy is absorbed and here heat energy is released. So these are the two definitions. So basic definition is enthalpy of fusion and the sub definition opposite to fusion process there is freezing. That's why here again we can use the another sub term as enthalpy of freezing which is opposite to fusion. So these are the two. So here the reverse of fusion is the freezing of solid. So these are the two definitions, enthalpy of fusion and enthalpy of freezing.